I'm an idiot. So a few days ago, I'm here saying you don't need to measure, it's super easy, there's no need to stress out. This is super easy. And there's less chance to screw anything up when you're So let me show you what I did. Not once, but twice. I'm such an idiot. So first of all, I'm cutting all my rabbets for the mirror to fit into the back side of the frame. I had the skew rabbet plane and the router planes all set up for the depth that I wanted. I'm plowing through, bang, 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 feeling good about everything. Even with the tricky grain on some of the walnut, I get them all done. I put everything together for a test fit. And are you kidding me? What is that? It doesn't fit at all. This rabbet is on the wrong side. This is what it's supposed to look like. Okay, so there's no way to salvage that unless I want to drastically reduce the width. So I just have to recut it. Okay, so here is the second piece. Half flaps look good. I've certainly had lots of practice now. So go do my test fit. Okay, that looks good. Okay, let me grab the other piece. Yeah, good. Are you kidding me? It's the wrong length. Are you kidding me? I was using a side piece as my reference. These are the sides. This is the top. This is the same length as the side. So today I'm gonna have to be redoing that piece for the third time. And this time I'm definitely gonna be paying attention to the markings. It's not that I don't have the pieces marked. It's just I was being too quick and I wasn't looking at them. Each side is marked with part of a triangle, as well as the reference face and the show face. This says front. So it's clearly marked. It's just that I was in a hurry and I wasn't paying attention to anything. So I'm wasting time doing it all over again. So like a lot of people probably, I don't have a whole lot of time in the shop. When I come down here, I'm always rushing around, try to get everything done as fast as possible. So that's what led to these mistakes. So this week I'm gonna try to make a huge effort to slow down, focus on what I'm doing, and check all my marks. So I hope your shop day is going better than mine, and I'll see you next time. If you've ever screwed up like this, let us know down in the comments, and you can vent together with the rest of us. See ya.